Hey everyone. Okay, quick question. Have you ever used ChatGPT and thought, this is cool, but it's not quite hitting the mark? Maybe it gives you answers that are too generic, or it feels like it's trying too hard to sound smart. Well, what if I told you there's a new AI tool that's like ChatGPT, but on steroids? Meet DeepSeek, the AI that's about to blow your mind and totally transform how YouTubers like you create content in 2025. But here's the real question. What makes DeepSeek so different? And how can it help you grow your channel faster? Stick around, because this is the upgrade your channel has been waiting for. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Alright, let's get real for a second. I've been using ChatGPT for a while now, and yeah, it's pretty cool. But sometimes it feels like it's trying way too hard. Like when you ask for a simple Instagram caption, and it gives you a full-on Shakespearean poem. Sound familiar? That's exactly why I switched to DeepSeek. It's like ChatGPT's smarter, faster, and way more chill cousin, perfect for creators like you and me. Today, I'm breaking down what DeepSeek is, why it's better than ChatGPT, and how it can help you grow your YouTube channel in 2025. Ready to level up? Let's go. Alright, let's talk about why DeepSeek is a game changer for creators. So, ChatGPT is like that friend who's good at everything, but not great at anything. You know, the jack of all trades. DeepSeek, it's the opposite. It's like that one friend who's a total pro at exactly what you need. Need a video script? Done. Thumbnail ideas? Easy. SEO optimization? No sweat. It's like having a personal assistant who actually gets what YouTubers go through every day. Okay, next up, DeepSeek is fast. And I'm not just talking regular fast, I'm talking lightning fast. You know how ChatGPT sometimes feels like it's buffering? Like when your Wi-Fi decides to take a nap right in the middle of a live stream? Yeah, we've all been there. But DeepSeek? It's like that one friend who always has the answer before you even finish the question. I tested both tools by asking for trending keywords in my niche. ChatGPT gave me a generic list that felt like it was copied from a 2015 blog post. DeepSeek handed me specific keywords that were actually trending, like stuff my audience is searching for right now. Alright, here's the third reason DeepSeek is a total game changer. It actually gets your niche. ChatGPT can feel a bit, well, generic. Like when you ask for advice, and it gives you something so broad it could apply to anyone. But DeepSeek, it dives deep into your content style and your audience. Here's an example. I'm a tech reviewer, right? So I asked DeepSeek for a video title idea, and it came back with top 5 budget gadgets in 2025 that actually work. Now that's a title my audience would click on. ChatGPT, it gave me gadgets you might like. I mean, sure, I might like them, but that's not exactly gonna get people rushing to click, is it? DeepSeek just understands what works for your channel and your viewers. It's like having a co-pilot who actually knows where you're going. Alright, here's the fourth reason DeepSeek is a total game changer. It's an absolute beast when it comes to SEO and analytics. Unlike gives you actionable tips that actually work. It's like having an SEO expert in your pocket. So there you have it. DeepSeek is like ChatGPT's smarter, faster, and more creator-friendly. Whether you're struggling with ideas, SEO, or just want to save time, DeepSeek is the tool you need in 2025. If you're ready to take your channel to the next level, give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because I'll be sharing more tips on the latest AI tools to help you grow your channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.